Welcome to our Everlast Tech Support channel. Today we'll be showing you some common problems and repairs for your NOPA foot pedal. We'll start by opening your foot pedal. You'll need to push in the silver dots on each side of the pedal and the top will pop off. Then we're going to look at the foam strips that are stuck to the top lid of the pedal. If the foam is starting to peel off, we'll want to remove it completely or glue it back on. The loose debris in the pedal can cause a variety of issues, from amperage control to trigger issues, or the foam can bind in the sprocket. If the set screw has come loose on the gear that's mounted on the potentiometer, you will experience amp control issues. You could experience where the gear is just slipping on the shaft, or if the screw has become so loose, the potentiometer would have actually slipped out of the mount. If you need to reinstall the potentiometer, you'll want to line up this notch with the keyway on the plastic molding and insert the potentiometer all the way through. Be sure to slide the gear back so it's flush with the plastic, and we'll want to ensure that our potentiometer is in the fully counterclockwise position to be set at minimum amperage. Once you've tightened the set screw, we'll push down on the sprocket to ensure that you have a smooth rotation and no binding or grinding, and it will travel its full range. If you're experiencing an issue where the arc will cut out as you back off on the foot pedal, you may need to adjust the position of the micro switch. You can make some small adjustments to it by loosening the mounting screws or by adding a slight bend to the micro switch arm. The ideal position for the micro switch arm while it's at rest is for the black wheel to be about 50% above the sprocket behind it. If the arm is bent too far, you can experience where the foot pedal will be triggered as soon as the top plate is put on, or if you lightly rest your foot on top of the pedal. If the previous foot pedal test guide video has indicated that you have a damaged conductor, we'll focus on testing continuity between those two locations in the pedal and at the 7-pin connector. Typically, you can locate the break in the cable by lightly pushing, pulling, and bending the cable. Our goal is to attempt to regain continuity so that we know the location of the cable that will need to be repaired. If we are unable to find the damaged conductor, we'll next look for a wire broken off in the 7-pin connector. First, you'll need to loosen this set screw by one rotation, and then you'll want to loosen the two screws for the cable grip. Now we're going to firmly hold the black connector head and unscrew the chrome body. Now when it comes to closing the foot pedal, we'll want to make sure that both the pins are in the out position. Then we'll angle in the top cover, starting at the bottom left corner, depressing one pin and closing it over. Then we'll push down the other side pin and line it up with the holes. Thank you for working with us today. We hope this video has helped you resolve your issue and repair your foot pedal.